Now, everybody, let's welcome Jax Anthony Williams to our interview and let's get started. So, Jax, why don't you tell me where you and your company are located?
So I currently live in Dallas, Texas, which is about 20 minutes away from my workplace, which is actually located at Fort Worth, Texas.
Could you remind me of your role and position at Aerospace Incorporated?
Yeah, so I'm the lead aeronautical engineer in my department where right now we're currently designing a more efficient way to send and return satellites from orbit. I am basically the head designer and I'm the one in charge keeping track of my team.
And from my research, I see that you attended Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Is that correct? And if so, what kind of courses help you prepare for your current career?
Yeah, that's true. I attended this university for 6 years to obtain my master's degree in aeronautical engineering. I also opted a minor in computer science at this school as well. To earn my master's degree, I need to take a multitude of mathematics and lots of lots of calculus. I also need a very good understanding of chemistry and physics since these sciences are applied in almost everything for aeronautical engineers.
I've also heard that you, along with a few of your partners, have come up with astonishing contributions to the aerospace industry not too long ago.
My team and I have designed various new engines for different types of aircraft. The one I specialized in was engines for space shuttles. With this newer model designed by my team, space shuttles are now more fuel efficient, more lightweight, and more compact, allowing more people on the shuttle. This happened about a year and a half ago, and I'm still striving to make more improvements to our designs.
I've noticed you're mentioning your team quite a bit. How would your team and clients describe you as your work?
My team would definitely describe me as productive, understanding, down to earth, and a leader in almost all circumstances. I believe myself to be very understanding, and I'm able to connect with both my clients and coworkers on a personal level. I've made many valuable relationships and friendships just by working alongside these people and being able to work for many people.
Other than all that you're good at, do you feel like you have any weaknesses?
Well, we all have our own flaws, right? The one flaw I would probably the one flaw I have would probably be ambition. While working on a project that I was assigned to, or while leading my team, I tend to get distracted by how many more improvements could be made if we had only discovered how to make these improvements. I get over ambitious in wanting to advance the aerospace industry that sometimes I get caught up in my own thoughts about how much more amazing this industry could be with only a few undiscovered improvements and minor things.
And finally, if you had one piece of advice to give to a young adult right now, what would that piece of advice be?
I would tell them that innovation and creativity cannot go to waste. If you're a creative person and have ideas floating around in your head, do not be afraid to speak up and share your ideas. We will be nowhere in the world without innovators, especially in the aerospace industry. In our industry, we are full of creativity and positive thinking because without these things, we would have no advancements in our work or in our society.
Thank you very much, and that advice could be used by many of our young minds out there. Now, give a round of applause to Jax Anthony Williams.
Thank you. Thank you.